Hi guys, good afternoon. This is a video tutorial that you have in order to create your activity of FlexSim. First of all, we are going to open the program. This is a free version from internet. Once that you have into the program, it is important to check that on the left there are different options and you are going to select new model. You give one click, new model, and you will have this window when you're going to have the special features of the operators. No problem, you only select here OK. Once that you have the general board, in order to work with your layout, you are going to select your first element. From the left there are different options like fixed resources, there is another category, task executors, travel networks, conveyors, A star, and AGB. You are going to select, in this case, source, which is the first element. You give one click. When you give one click, you can see a little hand. You put or place your cursor in the place where you prefer. I'm going to choose it here. One click and you have the source. It is important that you can see a yellow window. You are going to select escape. With escape, you eliminate the order. Once that you have source, the next step is that we are going to use queue, which is the next element. The same, I give one click, select the place, and press the key escape. I am going to include one operator from the task executors category and I am going to place it here. Escape. So then I have the first three elements in my general board. So I am going to indicate the sequence of my layout. On the top there is a small key that says connect objects. You give one click and you have three different options: connect objects, connect extended ports, and extended connect. You are going to choose connect objects. So you are going to select from the source with the yellow window. You give one click and you continue with the click till Q, select Q, and you remove click. Press escape. With this you can see one arrow that is indicating the first movement to have. Then you are going to select the same option, connect objects, and you are going to choose connect center port. One click. So you are going to select from the operator, one click, and you go to the source, which is the initial port. Press escape. In this moment, you can see that when you give one click in source, on the left, this part, you are going to have one option that says use transport. You are going to select this option, only this option, use transport, one click, and this is indicating that your transport, who is the operator, is going to travel to this part, choose the product, and give it in queue. I click on the top the option stop, and then I click the option run. In this moment you can see that the numbers are moving. My operator takes the product and put it in the first stock. You click stop, and when you press reset, everything goes in the same place. This is not difficult, but it is important to consider something. I am going to eliminate everything. It is important to consider that when you have in this menu the option connect certain port and connect objects, when you have a mistake or a problem, you can remove it by selecting the next option. In the next option, it says disconnect objects and disconnect certain ports. And you only indicate what is the movement to remove it, and it will be eliminated. I hope this is not a difficult activity for you. Remember, you have to complete all the layout that you have in the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you, kids. Have a nice afternoon.